Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we find the NCERT solutions for physics, chemistry and biology on a single platform. Today we are discussing chapter number 4 of class 12th biology, that is principles of inheritance and variations. So this is the question number 11 of the NCERT book, which is saying how is sex determined in human beings. So बच्चों हमें समझना होगा that sex in case of human beings is determined by a chromosomal method. And what is that chromosomal method of sex determination? In case of human beings we follow XXXY method of sex determination. तो बच्चों आप लोग को पता है कि जो human beings का 23rd chromosome है, 23rd chromosome है, on that 23rd chromosome are the sex genes located. So basically these are referred to as sex chromosomes, right? Sex linked genes are located on the 23rd chromosome. In case of female, the kind of sex that is sex chromosomes present is XX, that is a homozygous condition. This is a homozygous condition. And in case of males, we have a hemizygous condition where half of the chromosomes are X type and the rest 50% are of Y-type chromosomes. So let's see how sex is determined. For example, this is a female who mates with a male. So let's write the chromosome type in case of female, that is XX crossed with an XY. So the type of gametes that will be formed in this case would be, of course, segregation will take place. We will obtain X and X in case of female and heterozygous chromosomes or heterozygous genes in case of male. So children, if I make a Punnett square of this, अगर मैं इसको एक Punnett square में place करूँ और male के chromosomes डालूँ on one side and female chromosomes I am putting on one side, so the kind of progeny that you obtain, so X and X mate करेंगे तो it will give rise to XX, X and Y will mate, it will form XY, X and X will mate, it will form again XX, X and Y will mate to give rise to X and Y. So clearly you can see children, there is equal distribution, equal probability of both male and female occurring. So there are 50% chances of birth of a male and 50% chances of birth of a female. So I hope children you are clear the concept that how is sex determined in case of human beings. If you have liked the session, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions 11th and 12th. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.